Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video with something that rarely happens, but it does happen and can seriously damage both the engine and the turbo of your car. I'll explain. Here we have an Opel Zafira 2000 DTI and what I'm moving with my fingers, there you can see it, it's the support for the oil level dipstick. It moves because it's half loose. What's the problem? This is the part. Well, when it is half loose, the engine oil escapes from the bottom. The owner noticed because it was making noise, but he did not give it much importance and continued circulating, and shortly after the oil pressure light came on, but since it was near his house, so he kept driving the car, and in the end, what happened? That before he got home, well, there you see. The turbo has burst. It has burst because it did not have enough pressure to be able to lubricate the turbo turbine. In addition, he already said that it began to come out. There was a lot of smoke from behind, from the exhaust pipe. Although it did not ignite because it was low on oil. Okay? We looked at it and it had practically no oil left. Let's see. Be careful with these things, you have to give it the importance it has, because here, this minivan already has quite a considerable breakdown, okay? Be careful with this. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.